Significance of fiber length in spinning. Fiber length has great significance in the spinning process. Today we will discuss about the fiber length and further we will discuss about the short fiber content with respect to weight and with respect to number. How we can differentiate which is superior or accurate, either short fiber by numbers or short fiber by weight. Meaning and significance of fiber length. Fiber length is one of the most important characteristics of the cotton. However, there are different characteristics like strength of fiber, maturity, naps, and short fiber content. So, fiber length has great importance. It defines the spinability of the fiber. Basis for cotton trading. The fiber length has major role for the importance with respect to cotton trading, cotton sale and purchase. So this parameter cannot be neglected. It has key parameter for the cotton trading. FS FS we can say is a advanced fiber information system by it is instrument by Ooster Technologies, Ooster company. FS length measurement targeted towards the process control of the spinning process, spinning mills. During the processing of fiber at different stages, FS testing is done to monitor the effectiveness of a process. Either the fiber growth is positive side or negative side. So this testing is made. Worcester FS measurements length by weight and by the number in inches or millimeter are done by FS instrument. Short fiber by numbers are by weight. FS has a length module that measures the both by numbers and by weight. Here we will segregate which is better or which is accurate with respect to spinning process or with respect to analysis. First is the example short fibers by numbers. Here there are 4 fibers and equal to 100% with sample taken having 4 fibers. Number is calculated by on the other side by weight. Here are 4 fibers. Its weight is, let's suppose, 300 grams and 100%. Here are also taken 4 fibers. Let's thou there are 2 fibers having long length and 2 fibers are short. In the same way, in this case by weight, 2 fibers have long length and 2 fibers have short length. So the 2 short fibers portion, if we consider by the number principle, it will be the 50%. And on the other side, here are 2 fibers, weight 100 gram, and if we measure the weight, they are 33 gram. How the figure with respect to percentage is short fiber by number is more and short fiber by weight is less. Whereas the same number of fibers, same quantity, but with respect to percentage, short fiber by number is showing more quantity weightage and by weight it's showing less. Different systems are used by different countries or by different industries. In different industries, there are 2 systems in Europe. Zwagli by Zwagli instrument, it is by number used, and in US web sorter by weight number is used. The comparison of length systems for the understanding by number method and second is by weight. In by number, it is measured In the case of by weight, it is calculated. Second difference is in by number, it shows the true fiber length distribution in the sample. While same in the case of by weight, bias towards the longer fibers weight more than the short fibers. As it is biased toward the longer fiber gives the more weight as compared to the short fiber. Here in the case of short fibers are below the fiber 12.7 or half inches, they give less weight. Third, short fiber and long fibers are treated equally in the case of numbers. In the case of by weight, result is looking better than by number results. In the previous figure, we have seen that even both are the same quantities, same number of short fibers, but this picture is looking good as compared to this picture, as it is calculated picture and it is measured. Fourth is it in the case of by number, it gives more accurate result for the optimization of the processing in spinning. In the other hand, used by the mills that are used to result of the comb sorter array method such as sorter web array method, UQL is close to the cluster staple. Different techniques are used, but by number is more accurate, it is measured and more widely used in the process. Different are the length distribution by weight, length by weight, CVs and SFC short fibers having the length under 12.5 millimeter or below zero point 0.5 inches. Upper quartile length is length of the 25% longer fiber in the sample, while in the other case length distribution by the number mean length of the fiber in the sample and length CVs as the same, and short fiber criteria is same 50% below 5 inches or below the 12.7 millimeter, while the length 5%, the 5% length of the 5% fibers of the all the fibers, while in this case UQL it is taken as 25% length. Here is the distribution diagram. You can say it is 25% top fiber length, and here is a 5% length fibers, and here's the 2.5% longer fibers, and here's the point below the half inch, and this is the area that is showing the short fiber having the length below 12.7 millimeter or zero point 0.5 inches. Or there are different ranges of the short fiber in the case of short and medium staple short fibers content by number and short fiber content by weight. These are the categories: very low, low, medium, high and very high. This is the ranges. This range is applicable or is standardized in the case of short and medium staple cottons. In the same way, here are the ranges of the short fiber content by number, short fiber content by weight, and these are the categories: very low, low, medium, high and very high. These are the different value. I hope by this lecture your concept about the length, short fiber by number, short fiber by weight, and short fiber by number and short fiber by weight comparison, and which is superior or which is better for the analysis during the processing would be very clear. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.